In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files through email using Google Drive. Sometimes your file is just too big to attach directly to an email, and that's where Google Drive makes things simple. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can send your large files quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to mailgoogle.com to access Gmail. Sign in if you're not already. Once you are in your inbox, click the Compose button to start a new message. In the new message window, add your recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and a short message that explains what you're sending. This helps the person on the other end know exactly what to expect. Now look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window and click the Google Drive icon. It looks like a little triangle. This opens a pop-up that lets you pull files directly from your Google Drive. If the file you want is already in Drive, navigate to it just like you would in a folder. You can select one file or multiple files if you need to send more than one. If you don't see the file yet, remember that you can upload it to Drive first, and then return to this window to select it. When you're ready, click Insert. Gmail will add your selection as a Drive link right inside the email body. You'll see the file name appear with a link, which means the file is not attached in the traditional sense. Instead, your recipient will access it through Google Drive. This is ideal for anything larger than the normal attachment limit, and it helps keep your email light and fast to send. A quick tip here: if the file is especially large or shared with multiple people, Gmail may check permissions when you hit send and prompt you to allow access. That's normal. Just review the prompt and confirm so your recipient can open the file without any trouble. Keeping your subject and message clear also reduces back and forth if the recipient needs context. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your email goes out with the Google Drive link included, and your recipient can open the link to view or download the file. It's that straightforward, and it saves you from having to compress or split files. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.